how to solve the problem using AutoCAD software on the projections of lines. So first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen. So switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So now we'll go for limits command. So here you type limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0 and the upper right corner, so 297, 210, and then say zoom, enter, all enter. So go to line. So consider any lower left corner sheet and then click on the first button of the mouse and then drag the mouse in the left direction or the right direction and take any distance and click on the first button of the mouse. And from here you take the mouse in the upper direction and move towards the top side, and then again take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and then press enter key. Then go to offset. So we need to write the A4 size sheet. So A4 is 297 by 210. So specify offset distance. I'm going to take 297 and press enter key. So you select this line, which is the vertical line, and offset to the left side, and then again press enter key because by default exit. Then go to again offset command and change the distance to 210. So you select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom, enter, extends, enter. So we're going to extend to the drawn entity, which is going to be regenerated. Then again, then go to zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet. So you select between this vertical line and this horizontal line, between this vertical line and this horizontal line, between this vertical line and this horizontal line. And now we're going to type the 51st problem. So go to the text tab. So here go to zoom window and bring it near to the screen and go to the text, and here specify height as 4, rotation angle as 0, and you type the problem number 51. Give some space. The end capital A of a line capital EB is in HP and 25 mm in front of VP. The end capital B is 10 mm in front of VP and 50 mm above HP. Full stop. Then the distance between the end projectors when measured parallel to the line of intersection of HP and VP is 80 mm. Draw the projections of the line capital AB and determine its true length and true inclinations with HP and VP. So now once you do that, now we go for zoom previous. So now you go to layer command. So first we're going to create the layers. So go to new layer and you mark XY and enter. Similarly new layer and type views and enter. So here again true length, enter, and then go to locus. So here XY line. So layer 0 should have a line weight of 0.05. You just click on this 0.05 and say OK. So XY layer should have a line weight of 0.13. So you click on 0.13 here. Then views should have a line weight of 0.05. So you take on 0.05. Say OK. Then the true length should have the line weight of 0.25. You just click on 0.25. Under locus we have, view should have 0.5. So say OK. Then go to locus. You just come down to this. You make it 0.05 and say OK. And the line type of locus should be a dash dot. So you have line type under locus. You have continuous. You just click on this. So you're going to get only this continuous line type. So we need to have a dash dot line type. So just go to load, click on load, take the cursor to line type of ICAD, and then type D, which is dash dot, and say OK. Then click on the dash dot and send OK. So now it has been changed to dash dot. Now you come out of this layer command and then go to line. So you draw a horizontal line of any convenient distance, and then zoom window. You take it near to the screen and then go to offset. Take the distance as 25. You select this line and offset it here. Then go to line. Take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this. So you get one side of the view. Again, you go to offset, take the distance as 50, you take it onto the top side, and here again you have 10 mm offset. Select object to offset is 10 mm. So then go to offset, take the distance as 80, you select this between these two, then go to extend this line till here, and then go to trim this line till here. So then go to line, take intersection of this and intersection of this, int of this, again line, specify first point, intersection of this line to intersection of this. Then go to circle, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So I'm rotating this, and go to trim between these two and say OK, you click it. Then go to fillet, select between these two, then go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Then go to zoom window and then go to circle, take intersection point of this and then intersection point of this line. Then go to trim between this inclined line and this horizontal line. So you trim it. Then go to line, take int of this to perpendicular to this, and from here you take intersection point of this. Okay, now you just go to zoom previous, then go to break this line till here, and then break this line till outside. Similarly, break this line from here and also break this line from here, and then break from this line towards this side and break from here towards this side. Now once you have the drawing completed, now we will go for the changing the line weights. So go to CH, and here you just go to layer and you make this as locus layer. So then the line type is 10 mm. So once you get this, escape. So similarly, you click on this front view and this top view and go to layer, you make this as a top view or views and say close it. So here you switch on this. Similarly, you just click on this and you make this as the layer which is of true length and say escape. Then similarly, you just click on this, make this layer as XY and say escape. So this is how you will be able to create all the change the line thicknesses of individual line type, and the rest of the things will going to be the projector lines, which has been already done. Now you come out of this. Once you do that, now we will go for the dimensioning. So to do that, go to DDIM. So here first DDIM. So go to modify, then go to primary unit precision as 0. Go to text, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, so text height is 4, and say offset from the dimension line 3. And then go to symbols and arrows and take the arrow size as 4, and then go to line and say the line length offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close the dimensioning. So to do that, so go to dim vertical, select this and you make this as 25 mm. Similarly, you just go to vertical, you take nearest point on this to perpendicular to this and you are going to get 50. Similarly, nearest point on this and you take perpendicular to this, so you are going to get it as 10 mm. Then go to dim horizontal, take nearest point on this to perpendicular to this line, so you are going to get 80 mm. So once you get this, now we will go for the text. Now we need to write the this find out the values of theta and phi. So to do that, go to DDIM. So go to modify. So go to primary units, linear dimension, you make it second decimal point, and angular dimension also at the second decimal point, and say close. So once you do that, so now we want to have the true length. So dim aligned, select this line and you take this 95.5. So go to text. So here type true length equals question mark and place it wherever you want. Then go to dim angular, select between this line and also this line. So you're going to get it as theta is 31.56. So you go down to text, give the space and enter. So dimension arc line location here. Similarly, dim angular, select between this line and see here. So go to text and give space 19.03 and then enter. So you keep the dimension arc line location. So once you do that, now you have this. Now again you just go to DDIM and then go to modify. So come down to precision, you make it 0, and here also you make it 0 and say OK and close. So you will go back to this. Then go to text and here you mark this as X, you mark this as Y, you mark this as VP, and you mark this as HP. Then go to zoom previous, then go to text and here you put the caps lock off and type A and you type B and then you type B1 and this is B1 dash and this is B2 dash. Then go to B2 and here put the caps lock on and mark this as capital A and mark this as capital B, and this will going to be the locus of B. And this will going to be the locus of B. And here you have capital A and you have capital B. And here put the caps lock off. Put the caps lock off and you mark this as small a dash and this as B dash. Sorry, B dash. Enter. Once you do that, so then come down to here to the screen, switch off the ortho mode is off and move this all these things appropriately. So then we have a dash here. So take this A here and small a, capital A here. Similarly, you make this as B dash and you mark this as B1 dash, you mark this as B, and now you take this as locus of B. So similarly, you take this as the locus of B and here Y and here take B2 here, then go to B2 dash here, then go to small letter, capital letter B, and then this B will come here and this B1 will be here. So once you do that, so go to M text, so select on this and you drag this and you're going to get a dialog box. You make it symbol, click on this and you make it as small q and then come down to this. So go to copy, select this and you copy this till here and then go to DD edit and you mark this as small letter F. Once you do that, now we are going to write the answers for this. So to do that, so first we'll go for ortho mode. So you type answers, putting the caps lock on, then go to line, draw a horizontal line and then the vertical line. Then go to offset, take the distance as 7, then go to true length. So first you're going to type 95.52 mm. Then move this inside. Similarly, you just go to the text and here you type 31.56% %d. Then go to D text. Again you click on this, take 9.03% %g. So then go to line, take nearest point on this, take perpendicular to this. Go to line, you take end point of this to end point of this. Then go to fillet between these two. Now we go for copy, select this line, copy this theta till here. Similarly, you copy this phi till here. In this case, you just move this phi above. Similarly, you just go to D text and you type true length and enter. So this is how you will be able to write the final solution. Now we need to mark. So to do that, go to nearest LEA. You just keep it tangentially to this annotation options none. Similarly, you just go to leader, take nearest on this. So here you just take it down, annotation options none. So again you just go to the ortho mode, take nearest point, leader, go to nearest on this line and you drag this, go to annotation options. So now we need to go to leader, nearest point on this, and you take it like this, annotation options. So go to explode, X, enter, select these 4 lines and explode it. Then go to erase, erase this line, erase this line, erase this line, and erase this line. And go to zoom previous. So now you just save this drawing in the appropriate directory and mark this as P51 and save it. And finally